Hey guys, once again welcome to WLinks Technologies guys. We got you a great deal today that is for gaming lovers, those who deals in gaming accessories such as gaming mouse, gaming keyboard and gaming headset. So right now we got you gaming mouse. It's a latest Type-C rechargeable dual mode gaming mouse. It supports wireless 2.4 gigahertz wireless connectivity and Bluetooth connectivity guys. It has a Type-C input. It has equipped with the Type-C charging lead and packed in a very nice beautiful compact packaging guys. 100 pieces per carton. We got in different multiple colors. This one is very beautiful. It's only 400 pieces and we got it in black. The quantity is over 2,000 pieces for black design, two different designs in black, and we got about more than 3,000 pieces in pink, and we got blue as well, blue, and we got white as well. So white one is also very beautiful, white one, and we got a little quantity in silver as well. So right now what you see is multiple colors, but this one is colorful. It's only 400 pieces. This one is only 400, more than 2,000, more than 2,000, more than 2,000, more than 3,000, more than 2,000. So each color is almost same quantity except this colorful one. Only this one is 400 pieces and the rest of them are about 20,000 pieces. Different quantity for each color. So this is the packaging guys. Very beautiful packaging, compact, 100 pieces per carton guys. And this is the carton details, 100 pieces. Net weight is 13.5 kg. 1 kg is for the carton, which makes it gross weight 14.5 kg. And this one is the CBM 5430 multiply 45 cm per carton guys, and the stock is right here in the warehouse. Turn the light please. So the stock is right here guys, and we got in different colors. If you're interested, you can contact CNW Links. You can see our contact details in the comments below. You can reach me via WeChat or WhatsApp guys. Not only mouse, we got you keyboards, we got you gaming keyboards, we got you gaming headset, we got you original HP products as well, gaming headsets from HP, and gaming keyboards from HP, from Philips, and a lot more. So if you are into gaming keyboards and mouse guys, you're welcome to CNW Links, and we got you a lot of different stuff, very beautiful stuff, great prices guys. We get stock coming in out on a very regular basis guys. So we got Philips original products, we got gaming headset from HP, and a lot other products guys. And we got some stock from Ola as well. You see, Ola gaming headset, Ola gaming keyboards, Ola gaming mouse, they are all in stock. So interested people can reach us for regular supply guys, and we got great stuff, great prices coming in going out on a regular basis. Right now the best deal we got is this mouse. That's why I'm showing it to you right here in the live streaming guys, if you're interested, because this is one of the very hot selling products right now, with the Type-C input, charging input, with the Type-C cable provided. So this is one of the hot selling products right now in the market guys, and we got about 20,000 pieces in stock. If you're interested, you can order a mixed quantity, you can order mix from each color. It's not that you have to take all. You can order small quantity from each color. Keep in mind, this color has got only 400 pieces. This is almost finished. This is a very hot demanding product because it's a new design, new color, multiple colors, colorful mouse, and the others are all more than 2,000 pieces in stock. So it's altogether 20,000 pieces in stock. If you're interested, guys, you can contact me via WeChat or WhatsApp. Stay tuned for other great deals coming on in our live streaming, guys. It's goodbye for now.